Yesterday, we tested out the capability of drone tag to simulate the capability of identifying and locating a drone threat on Camp Murray. Washington State Guard launched a drone, and we were notified through the drone tag application at our Base Defense Operations Center. The drone tag application within seconds was able to identify the launch, where the operator was at, and the direction of travel of the drone. Once BDOG is notified of the launch, they can let the patrols know. From there, I can pull out my phone, open up the application, and instantly see exactly what BDOG is seeing. Utilizing drone tag enhances our ability 85% to where we can detect a lot more drones than we were able to in the past. This allows us to respond quicker, more effectively, and get to the threat sooner rather than later. Allows us to know how we should respond and in what manner we need to respond.